So this is how to fix black screen problem on YouTube. So if you are facing YouTube black screen problem or YouTube lagging problem, then this is how to fix it. So first of all, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu, then you tap on your settings button or your settings app, then you tap on app and notifications. After that, what you have to do is to wait for it to load. After that, you're going to see your apps and you tap on it. After tapping on it, wait for it to load, and you're going to see that your apps will be listed alphabetically. So when it's listed, what you have to do is to try to search for your YouTube app. So when you search for YouTube app, then find it, just tap on it. So after that, what you have to do is to tap on mobile data and restriction or mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure the background data is turned on. So you have to toggle it like this. So after that, what you have to do is to tap on the permissions and check whether every permission is allowed. It's really important when you allow all permission. Then after that, tap on storage and cache. Then you tap on the clear cache. After that, what you have to do is to tap on notifications. So let's tap on it. Then after that, turn it on. Make sure every notification is toggled on over here. And after that, what you have to do lastly is to tap on for stop. Then you tap on OK. Then also tap on storage and cache, clear the cache and go back. Then after that, what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store. Then tap on Google Play Store and search for YouTube. Then you tap on it. Make sure this open. So when you are finding or you are seeing open on your Google Play Store, don't tap on it. But when you are rather finding update over here, then you tap on the update and it's going to load. After loading, you are going to see open over here. So after updating it, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart, then you tap on OK, and everything is going to work successfully. So this is how to fix black screen problem on YouTube and also lagging problem on YouTube. See you in the next one. Bye.